Today we're going to talk about diphthong UE. So from what I say here, UE has no real English equivalent, but can be reproduced by combining the O or the word boot with the A or the word paper. And be sure to combine these two sounds into a single sound. So let's look at some examples here.
Listen to the following words. They all contain the UE diphthong.
Bueno,
So after B you had the UE diphthong, and so if you remember it's OO in the word boot and A in the word paper. So ue. So bueno, bueno,
puerta,
puerta,
escuela,
escuela,
abuela,
abuela,
dueño,
dueño, dueño,
dueño,
dueño,
fuerte,
fuerte.
Listen and repeat. Concentrate on combining the two vowels into a single syllable in the manner of the native speakers.
bueno,
Bueno,
puerta,
puerta,
escuela,
escuela,
abuela,
abuela,
dueño,
dueño, dueño,
dueño,
dueño,
fuerte,
fuerte.
Listen and repeat.
bueno,
Bueno,
puerta,
puerta,
escuela,
escuela,
abuela,
abuela,
dueño,
dueño,
fuerte.
and the last one, fuerte. Alright, so this was diphthong UE, and basically combine the OO sound from boot and A from paper, combined together gives you that sound. So in the next video we'll be looking at consonant T. So until then, see you next time.